is reflective of our desire to show the world that Iloilo City and the rest of Region 6 have magnificent cultures and glorious pasts. Western Visayas has a splendid heritage made even more vibrant by hard-working people who contribute to its greatness. We share a common past and common ancestry, and our interest also lies in a common goal and a common future. Iloilo City, for one, is the cradle of many exceptional, noble, and illustrious characters like Graciano Lopez Haina, Martin Delgado, Doña Patrocinio Gamboa, Magdalena Halandoni, Ramon Navancelia, and many more.
We underscore an activity that has given Iloilo an identity not only in the Republic of the Philippines, but an identity all over the world. Kung mag-select ka dinagyan, wala na sa iba naman dumaan ang atong mga kasimanwa at iba ng mga tao.
Of the city of Iloilo, I, Jed Patrick Escalante Mabilog, do hereby declare the 2012 Kasadyahan Regional Cultural Competition open!
So, ladies and gentlemen, the fun begins right now. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Sa tungnahauna nga istorya kat panahon, nakilala ka sa ngalan nga irong-irong, puno sang mangkad, kag sang katahon sa idalong ni Tago pa iburong.